add Shopify products to Google Merchant Center, follow these steps. Set up Google Merchant Center. If you haven't already, create a Google Merchant Center account and configure it according to your business details. Install Google Shopping Channel. In your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Sales Channels and select Google. Follow the prompts to install the Google Shopping Channel. Connect Google Merchant Center. Link your Shopify store to your Google Merchant Center account by providing the required information. Enable Google Sales Channel. Go to Sales Channels, Google, and enable the Google channel. Review product requirements. Ensure that your Shopify products meet Google's requirements for data quality, including accurate titles, descriptions, images, prices, and availability. Set up Google Shopping Feed. In your Shopify admin, go to Google under Sales Channels and click Setup. Follow the instructions to generate a product data feed. Submit data feed to Google Merchant Center. Copy the data feed URL provided by Shopify and submit it to your Google Merchant Center account. Review and resolve errors. After submitting your data feed, review any errors or warnings in Google Merchant Center and resolve them promptly. Monitor performance. Monitor the performance of your products in Google Merchant Center. Adjust settings as needed and optimize your product listings to improve visibility and sales.